Allah says in the Quran, Surah Taha, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِ. Allah says, and whoever turns from my faith, shuns. And the word أعرض, there's really no English translation, right? It's like a collaboration of things. أعرض is, well, there's a tinge of arrogance in it, right? أعرض. Come on, man. Are you still praying? Come on, man. Are you still doing this? You look like an animal. You look like very derogatory things. So Allah says, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِ. Allah's oath and promise, فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً ضَنْكًا. Then verily for this person is a miserable, wretched life. But my eyes are showing me happiness.
Yeah.
My eyes are showing me Louis Vuitton and Snapchats and right, but my eyes are showing me this. My eyes are showing me this restaurant and that restaurant and this holiday location and that holiday location. And look at, there's no designer label on earth that can cover the misery if Allah has promised it. But unfortunately, because we don't look through the eyes of Iman, we look through the eyes of Dunya. I see the fancy car. I see the very nice watch, and I see the... Wallah, I can today, you see the pain in people's smile. This isn't to say one person is better than the next, but the equation, Allah is giving you the formula. Is there vice in your life? Sin, haram? Is there negligence of deen? And I'm not, this is very important too. We're not speaking about the I made a mistake thing, you know? Yeah. We're all full of mistakes. But the consistency on sin. Allah says, فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً ضَنْكَ. And it doesn't just end there. وَنَحْشُرُهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ أَعْمَى. Look how powerful things get. Yeah. Allah says, look, this is amazing. Before Allah says, أَعْرَض, arrogant person. Now he sees. قَالَ رَبِّي. Wow. My Lord, why have you resurrected me blind? وَقَدْ كُنْتُ بَصِيرًا. Ya Allah, I used to see in dunya. In dunya, I had eyes to see. قَالَ كَذَلِكَ. Allah says, verily. أَتَتْكَ آيَاتُنَا. We sent you our signs. Now, these take it how you want. The podcast that came to you, the text message that came to you, your mother that said to you, please, Habibi, Allah yirda alaik, please, maybe your father, that good friend, that the signs came through multiple avenues. We sent you our signs. Our reminders came. فَنَسِيتَهَا. But you chose to neglect it.